Walsall tenants, if you're seeking a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property in the Darlaston area of Walsall, Wednesbury, Walsall, we've got a great property to show you around. There's lots of living space upstairs and downstairs. We're going to do a quick video tour and show you exactly what this property has to offer. So if you follow me, please. Thank you. Okay, so the entrance to this property. Before we go do the entrance, let's show you the driveway here for one vehicle. There's plenty of on-street parking as well. And the entrance to the property is via this door. You've got stairs going up from the hallway, and then you've got stairs, a door into the lounge. So if you want to come into the lounge, and then I'll close the door. Right. Lounge is of a good space. You've got this inset, this electric fire. It's not inset, it's hanging, sorry, hanging electric fire. You've got the gas-fired central heating, radiators in the property, blinds to the windows. Lovely doors, lets in a lot of light. You've got glass on the doors. Usually we kind of see with these type of properties like a 4-panelled, 6-panelled door. That door, there's understairs space in there for storage. You've got, just be mindful of this light, electric points, TV points kind of like over here in this space. There's an electric point behind the radiator. Yeah, so if you follow me into the kitchen. Kitchen's got a range of basin wall units. You've got integrated oven and hob over there. You've got space for washing machine. That's a tall fridge freezer was there in that place. That's where you would stick your tall fridge freezer. If you wanted to, you could put under the counter stuff as well, which is on that side. Any white goods under the counter there. Or what they've used is as probably like a breakfast bar area over here. There is a guest WC as well, which is just off the kitchen over here. Okay, and we've got a really good sized conservatory. If you come into this room, there's a radiator here. If it gets a bit chilly, there's electric points on that side as well. Okay. So plenty of living space downstairs, and come out onto the decked area in the back garden. And there's a good size garden. You can see probably about what, 50, 60 feet of lawn area where you can let loose the children to play. Landlord's considering putting a shed down the bottom for your garden goods. The decking is going to get a bit of a scrub, and a couple of repairs need to be done. So that will be sorted for the tenants who choose to rent this place out. So if you follow me now, I'll take you upstairs and show you the rest of the living quarters. There's the boiler room thermostat is in the hallway. So up the stairs, onto the landing, and you've got 3 bedrooms going off the landing. We'll do the bathroom first. If you want to come into the bathroom space, you've got wash hand basin, WC. Actually, I'll just push out so the camera can come in. Kind of half tiled, well, 3/4 tiled, tiling on the floors, tiling on the walls, and then you've got an electric shower over bath, shower fitment on the bath fitting as well. Yep. Right, so out of the bathroom and into one of the bedrooms. A good size bedroom here. This is facing the front aspect, so the road is on that side. You can't really hear anything. I mean, this is a Saturday afternoon. We're here on a Saturday afternoon. It's quite peaceful, quiet. Although you've got the main road kind of just out there. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Let me see if I can quickly operate this. Okay, so you've got the main road. If you want to come this angle, and then you can show the main road there. That goes, it's an artery road leading on to near the junction 10 of the M6, and also the Black Country route, which leads you into Willenhall, Wednesbury, Wolverhampton, Birmingham, so on and so forth. So good place to kind of travel from. Okay, so we'll go into the second bedroom. I believe they're all kind of double rooms. I mean, if you put a single bed in here, you have lots of space. Double bed would probably obviously limit the kind of space that you have. So yeah, a good room again, good size. This one's facing obviously the garden. You've got carpets laid down, you've got your blinds on your windows. It's just kind of ready to go. The decorations of good order. Bring your furniture in, plonk it down, and you're ready to go. Okay, so if you want to follow me into the third bedroom. Yeah, so this one feels probably the smallest out of them all, but you know, as you can see, still a really good space. Again, all carpeted, painted, and this one has this little room over here, which houses the, there's a boiler, the gas boiler is here, hence you've got the CO alarm up there as well. So gas-fired combination boiler in there. I believe it's not too old, a couple of years old. Certainly doesn't look old. And yep, so this is your third bedroom. So I did say this place has got a bit of living space. Obviously we've got the conservatory downstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. And then if the camera can get up these steep steps, we've got a loft that's been boarded up. Okay, so this space over here is, obviously it's not a bedroom, you can't stay here, there's no planning for anything like that, but you've got lights, you've got electric points all around, lots of electric points. I believe they used it like another room with a study, like office type, games room for children, but you can see it's all laminate flooring, kind of high ceilings, the camera's standing up there, and lots of electric points and lights. So it can be used as a room, but certainly you can't sleep in the room. I don't want to come up, but okay, I guess I have to now because we have to finish the video. Okay, so we'll end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. That's the whole property on Willenhall Street. Links are in the description. If you want to make inquiries about the property, then please get in touch with us by email, by phone, and we'll be happy to show you around and take you forward to an application. Do subscribe to our channel if you want more properties to be notified about properties as they come onto the market. If you want to see more videos, do subscribe to our channel, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side. Take care. Bye.